Hi to all, this is Geeta from Center for Training and Placement at Dr. N.G.P Arts and Science College. So today we are going to discuss about the topic number system in quantitative aptitude. So in number system, we are going to see lot of numbers we know, that is whole numbers, integers, like that. So these processes are very easy. So today we are going to see the shortcut of divisibility rule, square and square root, cube and cube root, prime number testing, and finding the unit digit. So in number system, these are the topics are very easy and we have to solve it easily. So you all know about the divisibility rule for 2 and 4. That is very easy one because the number in the unit place is even number or it may be in zeros. So next we will go with 3 and 9. So what we have to do for 3 and 9? If sum of all the digit of the number is divisible by 3, 9 respectively, then we have to say this number as it must be divisible by 3 and 9. So we can say these given numbers are divisible by 3 and 9. Some examples are there. Then coming to the next one, that is divisibility rule for 4 and 8. So for 4 and 8, so if the last two digit of any number is divisible by 4, so then we can say that the whole number is divisible by 4. And also we can say that last two digit is 0, 0. So then also the number is also divisible by 4. Then coming to 8, so the last we have to see for 4 the last two digit. Then for 8 we have to see the last three digits. So if the last three digit is divisible by 8, so we can say the number is divisible by 8. And also the next thing, the last three digit is 0, 0, 0. Then the number is also divisible by 8. So next, you all know about 5 and 10. So if it is the number ends with 0 or 5, we can say the number is divisible by 5. And for 10, if a number ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10. Then coming to divisibility rule for 6. So for 6, so we have two factors, that is 2 and 3 is the main factors for 6. So if the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then we can say the given number is divisible by 6. So here for 6 and also for other numbers, that is the numbers which are having the factors. So these numbers can be able to follow like this. That is, for example, if you say 40. So for 40 you have the factors as 4 into 5. So if a number is divisible by 5 and 8, so we can say this number is divisible by 40. Then for prime numbers 7 and 11. So first we will see the 11. For 11, how we can identify? Sum of its digit in odd places is subtracted from the sum of its digit from the even places. If the value is 0 or multiple of 11, we can say that number is divisible by 11. If it is not, that number is not divisible by 11. Then coming to the next one, 7. So for 7 divisibility rule, double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining number. So if the result is divisible by 7, then we can say the given number is divisible by 7. And also for if it is a 3-digit number means, okay, it is very easy. Just we have to multiply the last digit by double the last digit and subtracted from the remaining numbers. So if it is a 4-digit number, what you have to do? You have to continue the process. As the final stage, we will get the 2-digit number. Then for the next one, 13, 17, 19, for all prime numbers, so you are having the same process. Either it may be multiple or subtracted or add. The process will be continuous as it is. Here for divisibility by 13, we have to 4 times the last digit and add it from the remaining number. So then the remaining number, then the result is divisible by 13 means we can say that that given number is divisible by 13. Then coming to the next 17. 5 times the last digit and subtract. So these things are continuing for 13, 17, 19. So see here for 19, double the last digit and subtract. So again we are continuing the for prime numbers. For 23, 7 times the last digit and add. For 29, 3 times the last digit and add. For 31, 3 times the last digit and subtract. For 37, 7 times the last digit and subtract. So for 43, 13 times the last digit and add. So this much is enough for you for the prime numbers because they won't ask exceed of this. So it is enough for you to remember. So you have to remember either it may be add or subtract, and you have to remember so how many times it is the last digit is multiplying with it. Okay. So you have to keep all this in your mind. So after completing the divisibility rule, we are going to take the square. So how we can square the numbers easily for 2 digit or 3 digit or 4 digit, whatever numbers they are giving, how we can do. So using some shortcuts. So we all know a lot of shortcuts are there, but we are going to see one type of shortcut here. So here we are having 37. So we are going to square the number 37. So what is the first process? You know very well, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab process. So the same process is I am going to do here. Just I am going to carry over some numbers. Here you are having first step. Step 1, what you have to do? You have to square the last digit. Then step 2 is 2 into the 10th digit and the last digit. Then for step 3, that is square the 10th digit. So this is the process. See here. So first, see the first step, square of 7. So what is the square of 7? That is 49. Then you go to the next one, step 2. That is 2 times of the 10th one and the 1th place. That is 42. So here you are having in the first step you are having 9 as the answer, and you have to take 4 as the carryover. Then if you take 4 as the carryover, we have to add in step 2. So if you add with 42 plus 4, you will get 46. So you have to take the answer as 46, and you have to take that 4 as the carryover. Then step 3, that is square of the 10th place, that is square of 3. So you will get 9. So 9 plus 4, that is the carryover is 9 here, 4 here. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13 is the answer. If you accumulate all these things, means you will get 37 square is 1369. So the process is going for 3-digit number also. See here 456. So if you have square of the last digit, that is the first unit place, then the step 2 is 2 into 10 place into unit place. Then step 3 is 2 into 100 place and unit place. Then step 4 is 2 into 100 place and tens place. Then step 5 is square of the 100 place. So for step 1 and step 5, you have to remember easily. So either it may be a 4-digit number or 5-digit number, we have to use this process only. So just you are using the step 2, step 3, step 4, you are going to multiply it by 2. So you will get the answer easily. So you have to, and also you have to concentrate in carryover numbers also. So you have to take the unit place as the answer, and you have to put the 10th place or 100 place as the carryover. So continuing the same process, you will get the answer for either it may be a 3-digit number or 4-digit number or 5-digit number. Then coming to the next one, that is square root. So how to find the square root of 4-digit number or 5-digit number or 6-digit number? So it is the easy way to find the square root. So see here, I gave here as square root of 2025. So first of all, we have to know about the squares of the numbers from 1 square to 30 square. If you have to remember keep it in your mind. See here. So 20, 25. So you have to split it into 2. So 20 I have to split separately, and 25 I have to split separately. So in 25, I am taking the first 25, that is unit place as 5. So where we have to see in the square table, where the unit place 5 is coming. That is 5 square is 25. The unit place here is 5. So we have to put 5 there. Then 20. So where the 20 lies between? So 20 is lies between 3 square and 4 square and 5 square. So you have to take 4 there. So square root of 2025 is 45 is the answer. Then coming to the next case, that is 7056. So there it is easy one, but here we have some because 6 is the unit digit. So see here, if you are having, you have to split 70 and 56, that is two numbers. So here you are having 6 as the unit place. So for 6 you are having in the square table, if you see, means you are having 4 and 6. That is for 4 square it is 16, 6 as the unit place, and for 6 square it is 36, 6 as the unit place. See here, for 6 you are having 4 and 6. So you have to take, and for 70 it lies between 8 square and 9 square. That is 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81. So previous number only you have to take. So 8 you have to take. So our option is 84 or 86. So we have to find out the answer for this, whether it is 84 or 86 for the square root of the number 7056. So you have to take the middle number, because if you take 85, that is the unit place is 5, it is an easy way to square. See here, I am taking the unit place as 85 square here, that is 5 square equal to 25, and 8 plus the succeeding number, that is 8 into 9, that is equal to 72. So 85 square is nothing but 7225. So the answer for 85 square is 7225, but our value is 7056. So we can say this 7225 is greater than 7056. So we have to choose the value as 84. So the answer for this question is 84. So these are the shortcut methods for finding the square root. So if it is a 5-digit number, so what you have to, how we can split? So it is a 2-digit and 3-digit. So always you have to split the unit place and tenth place. After that you have to split 3-digit. So the same process we are continuing here also. Then what about cubes? So cube is the very easy concept. So you have to the same concept what we did in the square. So find the cube of 10th digit and write it down as first digit. So 1 we have to put there. Then 1 and 4 are in the ratio of 1:4. So you have to put 1, 4, then 4 square is 16, 4 cube is 64. Then the next thing you have to write, for 4 you have to double it, that is 8. For 16 you have to double, means you will get 32. So next you have to add, then carry over the 10th digit is you have to carry over. So you will get 4. Then the 6, 16, 32 you have to add, means you will get 4 as the unit place and 5 as the 10th place. It will go to the carry over. Then 5, 4, 8. So if you add, means you will get 17. So 7 is the unit place and 1 is the carry over thing. So the answer for this is 2744. So this what cube we have to find. Then coming to next is the cube root. So the same process as we followed in square root is here also. So you have to keep from 2 cube to 10 cube in your mind. So the value of 2 cube and 10 cube is very easy. So you have to remember it. So here they gave the find the cube root of 17576. So in this cube root you have to split 3 numbers. So first 3 number is 576 and the next 3 we don't have a 3 numbers, we are having only 17. So that is 2 numbers. So see here 576, the last digit where it ends 6. Why I am putting 6 here? Because 2 cube is 8, then 3 cube is, this is single, unique only it will get. So 3 cube is 7, 4 cube is 4, 5 cube is 5, then 6 cube is 6, 7 cube is 3, 8 cube is 2 and 9 cube is 9. So 0, 10 cube, that is 0, 10 cube is 0. So you have to remember easily. So For 576, it is nothing but we have to take 6 cube, that is 6. So 17. So you have to check for 17 where it is lying. So 17 is lying between 27 and 8. So you will get 2. That is 2 cubes. So you have to put 2 there. Then the cube root of 17576 is 26. So this is the way you have to proceed. So lot of things we have, lot of short tricks are there for finding the cube root, square and cube. So we are following this method. So you can easily keep it in your mind. The same process is for the next, that is 6-digit number also. The same process, that is you have to split it into 3. So first we have to split 464, then 157. For 464 you can get 4 power 3, that is 4. Then for 157 it lies between 125, 5 power 3 and 2 and 6, that is 6 power 3. So you have to put 5. So the answer for this is 2054. Then we are moving to the prime number testing. So we all know from prime numbers from 1 to 100. So it is easy to remember also. So according to the next case, we don't know to calculate how the given, that is a 3-digit number or 4-digit number or prime numbers or not. So we have one shortcut method for this. So see here. So it is we have to remember, for this we have to remember the squares from 1 square to 30 square. So the step 1 is we have to find the whole number x, then we have to square it. Then we have to find the x, that is the prime numbers which is less than x. Then the step 3 is check the prime numbers are divisible by x or not. So this is the process. So see, I am asking the question here as 101 is prime number or not. So this is the easy question. So what the step 1? That is 101. So 101, here if you see the square table means you will get 101 as 100 lies between 100 and 121. That is 10 square and 11 square. So you will get it as 11 square, that is 121. So the prime numbers below 11 is, that is in step 2, that is 2, 3, 5, 7. So in step 3 we have to find whether this 101 is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 or not. So no one number is divisible by 101. So we can say this number is a prime number. Then coming to the next one, 437 is prime or not. So in 437 we are having 441, that is 1 square, 21 square, which is greater than 437. So the numbers below 21 is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So in step 3, 437 is divisible by 19. So you can say, you're not able to say this number is 437 is a prime. So we have to say 437 is not a prime number. So this is the way of testing the prime numbers. Then coming to finding the unit digit. So how we can find the unit digit? So you all know very well, that is 2 power 1, 2 power 2. See the table, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So these are all the values. So just I am wrote here, that is 2, 2, 4, 8, 6. Again 2, 4, 8, 6. It's repeating. So we can say this 2 and 3 as 3971, 3971. So it is repeating the 4 cycles. Then coming to the next one, 4. For 4, 4, 6, 4, 6. It is a 2 cycle. Then for 5, it is not repeating. Just itself is, the number itself will come. For 6 also the same process. The number itself will come. For 7, 7, 9, 3, 1. This is a 4 cycle. For 8, 8, 4, 2, 6. This is also the same process. Same 4 cycle. For 9, 9, 1, 9, 1 repeating. So it is a 2 cycle. So you have to keep it in your mind. 2, 3, 7, 8. So these are the 4 cycles, and 4 and 9 are the 2 cycle, and 5 and 6 are repeating itself. So what is the process? How we can do this? How we can find the unit digit if they are giving some in terms of powers? So if 2, 3, 7, 8 as 4 cycle. So what is the first step? So if the unit digit is 2, 3, 7, 8 means you have to divide the power by 4. And step 2, what you have to do? If the remainder is 0, that is the first option. If the remainder is 0 means we have to put the power as 4 there. If the remainder is not 0 means we have to put the same remainder as the power. So this is the process for the 2, 3, 7, 8. So what about 4 and 9? This is nothing but the 2 cycle. For 4, power even means 6 will come, or power odd means 4 will come. For 9, power even means 1 will come, power odd means 9 will come. For third one, that is 5 and 6, I already told that how many times the 5 and 6 will come. It is a repeating process. So we have to put the same number. For 5 we have to put 5, and for 6 we have to put 6 there. Then the next thing, finding last or unit digit. So we can going to see the problem here. So 45304000. So this is the power. So it is not easy to calculate the unit digit. So how we can do this? So it is 7, no? So what you have to do? You have to divide it by 4. So the remainder is 0. Then for step 3. So if it is a remainder zeros, you have to put the 4 as the power. So 7 power 4 will come. So 7, we have to split this 7 power 4 as 7 square into 7 square. So for 7 square we can say easily that is 49. So we have to take the unit digit. So 9 into 9. So 9 into 9 is nothing but 81. So you have to take the unit digit 1 here. So the answer for this question is 1. So this is the easy way we have to calculate the powers. That is the unit digit. So see the next process. It is 9 power 78. The unit digit is 1 here. So already I told for 4 and 9 we can easily calculate. So the next thing is for 5. So whatever number in the unit place as 5 means it is a repeating process. So you have to put 5 there, and for 1 you have to put 1, and for 6, 6, and for 0, 0. So these 4 numbers are constant. We have to put the same thing. So in a nutshell, so what we saw all these things, that is divisibility rule. So it is a easy one, how we can test the prime numbers using the divisibility rule. Then how to find the square and square root in the shortcut methods. It may be a 3-digit number or 4-digit number or 5-digit number. Then for cube and cube root also. And prime number testing, this is a very important one for finding the prime number. Either it may be a 3-digit or 4-digit. So then finding the unit digit. So unit digit is most important. So most of the questions are from this only. That is the prime number testing and unit digit. So you have to concentrate in this. Okay, thank you to all.